So that is the LS400 ECU done. So just for future reference, anyone, if you see this or that, basically I've marked every ECU that I do with certain codes and certain references so that I know that I have done this ECU. So this is for if you ever sell the car and a new owner comes, I know that I've done it. Or, you know, if there is a issue further down the line, I know it's me that's been in there. Doesn't necessarily mean I was the last one in there, but it gives me a reference that I actually did that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 caps all done. I am starting to use the uprated ones now, because I actually found out that some of the cheaper caps, especially the black and white ones that other people use, aren't actually for automotive. They're more for industrial machines. And they can be prone to basically making errors inside the ECUs. So I have to pay a little bit extra for these caps, but these are automotive approved. Which is a big difference, because a lot of people aren't using the auto industry approved caps, which is a big thing. But anyway, so let's do the old test and check all the old caps. Again, I've done loads of videos on how to check to check caps, so I'm not going to go into that. They're all prepped, they're all primed. Well, they're all deactivated anyway. So let's have a look at the first one. No visible damage. Very slow on its way out. So visible damage on this one, so that is knackered. So let's have a look. Oh, that's interesting. So it's actually reading, but it is leaking, so that's 2. That one was a bit iffy, but we'll say it's okay. Very slow, but okay. So no damage. That, sir, is crackered. That one's knackered. Wow, okay. What's going on here? That one's no, can't be. Right, let me just. There we go. So that one was. So that one's okay. Let me try that last one again as well. No, it is knackered. Try it again. No. Yeah, okay. All right, next one. Slow but okay. Interesting. I'm not quite sure what's going on here, but that looks like that one's. So potentially we had 5 knackered caps, but only 1 visible leaking one. Gonna do them again just to be on the safe side. But yeah, that's an interesting find, that one, because they actually look all right. So you only had 3 good ones, and you had 5 that are pretty much shot or just about to be shot. I'm going to test them again just to be on the safe side, because yeah, I just want to confirm that. So that is Mr. Mo's cousin's, or whoever it is, LS400 ECU done. So thank you very much for watching. That was an interesting find with the caps. just proves how they can look fine and they're not. I did do another test and it was right. Everything was spot on. So there was that many faulty, but yeah. So thank you very much for watching. If you want your ECU doing, then feel free to join the Facebook groups. Mine is Soarer's Owners Club. I am on Soarer Owner Club UK. I'm on a couple of the SC300 and 400 groups. I've got Gorilla Garage on Facebook as well. Yeah, so if you want your ECU doing, then get hold of me somehow, or put a comment in the comments below and I will reply with a link to either the groups or an email or something. Yeah, if you are the guy watching this, or anyone, and you want to donate, because obviously this is not cheap doing all this stuff, and I am doing them for dirt cheap at the moment, compared to some of the other people in the States and New Zealand. I'm over half the price of the other people. But yeah, so yeah, if you want to donate, feel free. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to press the buttons.